Are you in your first working income years and you're looking how to maximize your savings, even how to start to save and invest? Well, don't worry, cause I got you. I guess we are all well aware about the not so great global economy situation at the moment between the war of Russia and Ukraine, the abrupt political changes in Latin America, the global inflation, the Latin disaster in China, the rising cost of gas, energy, plus the volatile oil. We don't even know where to start. But don't worry, because applying what has already been repeated by financial gurus such as Kiyosaki, Buffett, and Grant, that is that in recession and crisis is where wealth is made. And this is because the more the markets fall, the better the prices can be to invest. So trust me, you will be fine. The thing is, you don't have to be a financial guru to start investing like one. I'm going to show you alternatives to start doing it, and some are under $100. So the first one has to be ETF. But before we start investing, we need to know what this is all about. So basically, an ETF or exchange traded fund is a fund that trades in exchange, generally tracking a specific index. They offer shares of multiple companies within a package bundle. So, for example, ETF can be ultra wide in focus, attempting to track a broad market index like the S&P 500 or even the performance in an entire country's economy. They can also be ultra narrow in focus, specializing in a small group of companies in one subsector. For example, ACMH focuses in semiconductor companies such as TSM, NVDA, and QCOM. They're usually the first best investment for beginners because they're low risk, low cost, provides an easy access to diversification and exposure to a wide variety of asset classes. They are also super easy to buy, but you just must open a brokerage account in the platform you think suits you the best, and it's easy for you to manage. Then you can find and compare ETF and, of course, buy. According to Forbes and Bloomberg, Vanguard Growth ETF is one of the best to invest right now, to December of 2002. The following has an expense ratio of 0.04%, a 5-year average annualized return of 11.8%, and a 10-year average annualized return of 13.8%. But you do you, start your research, and buy. On the other hand, there is crypto and stocks. Although the cryptocurrency world has been affected by the FTX exchange scandal, please note that this scandal is based on the bad practices implemented by the CEO who managed to steal billions of dollars from users. Because of this and also the growing economy, uncertainty has affected cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Nevertheless, and despite its flat tendency, in my very personal opinion, there is only space for recovery. So don't get discouraged. This market is going up, and proof of that is that a lot of countries are streamlining their legislation in order to match technologies for this fifth revolution, such as blockchain and, of course, cryptocurrencies. Please make sure to buy those that have good backing and have much less chance of reaching zero. I will think that my most important recommendation here is not to get carried away by cryptocurrency fads at the time of purchase. So, for example, Bitcoin at the end of last year managed to reach value of $60,000 per Bitcoin, which indicates that it achieved a rise from $10,000 to $65,000. So Ethereum and Litecoin has had the same trend as Bitcoin. On the other hand, stocks are also an easy way to start investing. Just like with ETF, the only thing you have to do is open a brokerage account, find the best stocks, and compare these stocks and buy. At the moment, and in my very personal opinion, the most recommended stocks are TSM, that is Taiwan Semiconductor, which on December 6th of 2002 announced that it will open a factory in the U.S. territory, which will help to expand its business to future protectionist policy of the countries. At the moment, its most big and important customer is none than Apple. On the other hand, Ecopetrol is another stock that is recommended due to its dividend payments over the years. Additionally, the revenues generated by the company are impacted by the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. And finally, Tesla is a company that is founded on the sale of electric vehicles, which has generated impressive earnings during 2001 and 2002. Additionally, this company is also focused on the collection of data from vehicles and buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Last but not least, education is always a good idea, and not necessarily university wise. You can invest in some financial courses, books, and related subjects, even in how to start a business and be better at handling money.